Hello and welcome to Creature Corner, the channel where we explore the amazing world of animals. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most fascinating ecosystems on Earth, the savanna. The savanna is a grassland with scattered trees and shrubs that covers about 20% of the land surface of Africa and Australia, and parts of South America and Asia. The savanna is home to a rich diversity of wildlife, including some of the largest and most iconic animals on the planet, lions and elephants. But how do these two giants of the savanna interact and compete with each other? How do lions, the kings of the jungle, hunt and survive in the open grassland? How do elephants, the gentle giants, use their size and intelligence to find food and water and avoid predators? In this video, we will answer these questions, and more as we compare and contrast the strengths and weaknesses of lions and elephants in the savanna. Let's get started. Lions are the largest and most social of all cats. They live in groups called pride, which consist of one or more males, several females, and their cubs. Pride can have up to 40 members, but the average size is about 15. Lions communicate with each other using a variety of sounds, such as roars, grunts, snarls, and purrs. They also use body language, such as rubbing heads, licking, and grooming, to strengthen their bonds. Lions are carnivores, which means they eat meat. They hunt mostly at night or in the early morning, when it is cooler and their prey is more active. They prefer large animals such as zebras, wildebeests, buffaloes, and antelopes, but they will also eat smaller animals such as hares, birds, and reptiles. Lions are not very fast runners, so they rely on teamwork and stealth to catch their prey. They usually stalk their prey from a distance, then charge at the right moment to surprise and overpower it. Lions are territorial, which means they defend their area from other lions and predators. They mark their territory with urine, feces, and scratches on trees. They also roar to announce their presence and warn off intruders. The territory of pride can range from 20 to 400 square kilometers, depending on the availability of food and water. Lions face competition from other predators, such as hyenas, leopards, and cheetahs, which may try to take their food or harm their cubs. Elephants are the largest and heaviest of all land animals. They can weigh up to 6,000 kilograms and stand up to 4 meters tall at the shoulder. They have thick gray skin that protects them from the sun and insects. They also have long, flexible trunks that they use for breathing, smelling, drinking, eating, and grabbing things. They have large, fan-shaped ears that they flap to cool themselves and communicate with each other. They also have long, curved tusks that they use for digging, fighting, and defending themselves. Elephants are herbivores, which means they eat plants. They eat mostly grasses, leaves, fruits, and bark, but they will also eat crops, such as corn and sugar cane if they find them. They need to eat about 200 kilograms of food and drink about 200 liters of water every day. They use their trunks to pull up plants and put them in their mouths. They also use their trunks to suck up water and spray it into their mouths or over their bodies. Elephants live in groups called herds, which are led by a female called the matriarch. The matriarch is the oldest and most experienced elephant in the herd. She decides where to go, what to do, and how to deal with threats. A herd can have up to 100 members, but the average size is about 10. Elephants communicate with each other using a variety of sounds, such as trumpets, rumbles, and squeaks. They also use body language such as touching, nudging, and hugging to show affection and support. Elephants are nomadic, which means they move from place to place in search of food and water. They have a good memory and can remember where to find water sources and food plants. They also have a sense of direction and can navigate long distances. They travel in well-defined paths that they create by trampling the vegetation. They also dig wells and create waterholes that benefit other animals. Elephants face threats from humans who may hunt them for their ivory, meat, and skin or destroy their habitat for agriculture and development. Section 3. Lions versus elephants. Lions and elephants are both giants of the savanna, but they have very different lifestyles and adaptations. How do they interact and compete with each other? Let's compare and contrast their strengths and weaknesses. Lions are predators, which means they hunt and eat other animals for food. Elephants are prey, which means they are hunted and eaten by other animals for food. However, this does not mean that lions always have the upper hand over elephants. Elephants are much larger and stronger than lions, and they can use their size, tusks, and trunks to fight back and fend off lions. Elephants are also very intelligent and social, and they can cooperate and communicate with each other to protect themselves and their herd members. Lions usually avoid hunting adult elephants because they are too risky and difficult to catch. They may try to hunt young or weak elephants, but they have to be careful not to alert the rest of the herd, which may come to the rescue and scare away or injure the lions. Lions may also feed on elephant remains, but they have to compete with other scavengers such as hyenas, vultures, and jackals. Elephants usually ignore lions unless they feel threatened or provoked. They may chase away or hurt lions that come too close to their herd or their waterholes. Elephants may also damage or destroy lion dens, which may force the lions to move to another area. Lions and elephants are both important for the savanna ecosystem because they affect the population and behavior of other animals and plants. Lions help control the numbers of herbivores, such as zebras and wildebeests, which may otherwise overgraze and damage the vegetation. Elephants help create and maintain the diversity of habitats, such as grasslands, woodlands, and wetlands by clearing trees and shrubs and digging wells and waterholes. Lions and elephants are both endangered because they face threats from human activities, such as poaching, hunting, and habitat loss. They need our protection and conservation because they are vital for the balance and health of the savanna ecosystem and the survival of many other species. In this video, we have learned about the amazing adaptations and interactions of lions and elephants in the savanna. We have seen how these two giants of the savanna compete and coexist with each other and with other animals and plants. We have also seen how they are both essential for the savanna ecosystem and how they are both threatened by human activities. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please subscribe to our channel, Creature Corner, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our future videos. Also, please leave a comment below and let us know what you think of this video and what other topics you would like us to cover. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching and see you next time.